What's going on, Eagle fans? I'm Miles Busby here in the beautiful Chicoine Arena, giving you an inside look at what happens inside the nest.
Expect a competitive season. Past seasons, our record hasn't quite reflected the hard work that we've been putting in practice, but we are ready to compete, and so we're excited to start off our conference games this weekend and to upset some teams that usually we wouldn't have in the past. Our past few practices have been intense, but we've been working hard, but we've also been working smart. No, our MAC conference game is an easy win, and we know that, and so we are ready to put in the work on the court. Our front court defense and our back court defense are ready to pick up some balls, and we've been getting a lot of reps for our hitters this week and on the outsides and in the middles, and so we're ready just to attack in our offense and then do what we need to do in the back end of things in order to come out with a win. And so we're ready in our backcourt also, and okay, that was bad. No, that was bad. Redo it. Okay, just ask it again.
Good. Shoot. Good job. We'll see you later.